guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to go over how to make a cutting edge in a survival situation. So if you ever find yourself in a survival situation and you don't have a knife, you usually cannot do 90% of the rest of the tasks that you need to survive. So we're going to go over what to look for and how to make your edge. So without further ado, let's get to it. So first things first, guys, I am in central Indiana, and the rocks that we are looking for are going to be more towards water, okay? So you can see we're down here in the creek, and there is plenty of running water going on here. So we're looking for specifically flint rock. Now flint is a whiter rock, chalky looking, but it has subtle edges from where it has been cracked. That is a piece of flint rock. Can you guys see any more flint rock through here? There's a good piece of flint. A little bit of a smaller piece. So as you can see, it's pretty abundant in these areas. So we're just going to find one of those. Actually, we're going to take a couple of them because you know what? Why not? We're going to go for the biggest ones that we can find. So we'll take these with us. And we'll lay these right here on our stone. Now we want to find, because we're using our base, which is a hard, big hard rock. Now we need to find a larger, denser, heavier stone to crack those flint rocks with to fracture them. So let's go down through here. We kind of want to find a rounder stone, not so much flat. This one right here. Oops. This one right here is pretty good. So if you look at it, I'm holding it in my hand and it's pretty big. I don't want a rock that my fingers are wrapping around like that, because I have more of a chance to hit my finger. You could break your thumb doing this. So you don't exactly want to do that. So this rock is probably 10 pounds. And that'll work just fine. So let's go bring it to our smashing area. Alright guys, so we got our flint rocks, and we got a couple of them just in case we mess up. We tried to find the largest ones that we could so we can get more of them. And we got our big heavy beater rock. So what we're going to find on this rock is kind of like an outer bulge, okay? That's going to put all of our force into one direct area. And when we do that, we want to find a corner, a slope on our flint, okay? So it looks like we got a few pieces that are some pretty good cutting edges. I gotta be careful because I'm barefoot, but I'll show it to you guys. This is not a fast process, especially the way that I'm doing it. Like I said, people hand nap it, but for safety reasons, like I said, I've cut myself too many times. So I just rather hit it on a hard surface against a hard surface. So you can kind of see we got like a sharp hook right here. The edges are pretty sharp. So let's show it cutting some cord here. Getting there. There we go. Now we have the ability to cut cord. And guess what? Now we have our cord cut. Best thing about paracord is all these little strings on the inside. Now we can make traps, we can tie stuff together. That's what's great about paracord. So it'll cut paracord. So here we got one of our scrap pieces from that big stone that we hit, and it's got a jagged edge on it. See if it'll cut the paracord. Look at that. Works pretty good. So I hope you guys learned something, and if anything, I hope that you learned that survival skills are a mindset, and that if you need one tool to trust your life with, it would be a good quality knife. So if you guys forget this tool, now you know at least how to cut things. So see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.